Hey YouTube, Pokemon Designer here. Today I'd like to show you guys proof that I have Siri without a port. When I first did this, it did not it did not have the background or icon. I had to actually add those as well as the back button for that right there. It does work the whole way except for voice recognition. If I can get that running, hopefully I can get a 4S key afterwards to to check that out and make sure it runs the whole way. To get it, I'm not exactly sure how the full details, because I did accidentally, while installing an app from Installus and trying to add a repository from Cydia, which neither of them worked for some reason, and it popped up with a setup application. So I tapped that and it pulled me up to Wi-Fi selection. So I chose my Wi-Fi, then I hit next, and it pulled up a page that said start using Siri or disable Siri or enable Siri, something like that. So I enabled Siri and then I hit start using iPod Touch. Yes, I am running a jailbroken semi-tether iPod Touch 4th generation on iOS 5.0.1 for proof. There you go, 5.0.1. And to show, here's one of the ways that I can show you I'm not running a Siri port. No matter where I go in here, you cannot find Siri, the Siri on-off switch. And as more proof, I'll go into Cydia and I'll search for Siri on there to show you that I don't have Siri Rain, Siri Night, H1 Siri, just all those different things. But if anyone has the Hi Siri or Siri Says files for Siri Rain before Technetic took down their servers, please let me know, because I think that might help me get the Siri voice recognition working. I'm going to just go ahead and cancel that. I'm going to type in Siri. The only thing I have is Siri for voice memos, which is a thing, and Siri for voice control, as well as Sirius. Sirius I do like, because right now with Siri not recognizing voice, I can still at least use the voice dictation. Siri for voice control, that is for voice control strictly, and it will actually pull up voice control and just change the background for it. See, there's a picture of what it would look like, and obviously that is not mine. And Siri for voice memos, that just changes the icon and theme of the voice memos application. Give it a second, it has to actually load up. Well, it doesn't always load up, but it does not, obviously it would not look like this or with the half background, and I will work on fixing that, but right now my main goal is just to get voice dictation running, and hopefully I can get that running very soon. And here is a couple pictures of what Siri looks like just during different different parts. Like if you don't have any Wi-Fi, it'll say assistant not available. That's just another picture of setup. Then I have a picture of that opened, that just kind of random stuff. But yeah, hopefully I'll get it running soon. If anyone wants to help out, if they have Siri Says or an iPhone 4S code that they'd like to donate for a day, so I can just try to get one, just to try to get it working. Don't send 4S codes yet if you do want to donate. I will not steal. I won't do anything. This is strictly strictly Siri, not an actual port. I can't steal any info. But once I get Siri Says, or I can get voice recognition working by myself, I'll make another video giving you proof that it actually does recognize voice. I'll delete Sirius, and I'll show you that it should pick up that it would go in there even if it doesn't fully recognize my voice and connect to the servers. And then once I get then I'll ask you for the 4S codes. If I get a 4S code, then I'll make another video for proof that Siri is actually working. So thanks for watching. I really hope you guys can help out in this endeavor for working Siri for iPod touches and iPhones. So subscribe and follow me on Twitter. Obviously you can just find that on my channel, as well as you can follow me on Facebook, but I don't often do anything on Facebook, so mainly follow me on Twitter, and I'll keep you guys up to date with this before I get a video up on my before I get a video about my Siri voice dictation running. So thanks for watching. Hope this gets done shortly before Technetic does get theirs completely running without a 4S key, and hopefully I'll be able to get I don't know if it's possible, but I might be able to get a code generator running too. So let's just hope everything works out, and subscribe.